Ma'am, you are not audible.
Sorry. What are the operators in Python? Operators are special symbol in Python that carry out arithmetic or logical computation. The value that operator operates are called operand. Nine plus 5 equal to 14. 9 and 5 are operands, plus are the operator, and 14 the output result. Okay, in Python there are so many operators like arithmetic operators, comparison operator, assignment operator, logical operator, bitwise operator, membership operator, and identify operators. Now start with arithmetic operator. What are the arithmetic operators? Arithmetic operators are used to perform arithmetic operation between two operands. It includes addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, modulo or remainder, or floor division, and exponent. Plus for addition, minus for subtraction, star or asterisk for multiplication, slash for division, percentile for module or remainder operation, and double slash for floor division, and double asterisk for exponent. And what is the addition operator? It is used to add two operands. Like 5 plus 6 is 11. 5 plus 6 is 11, and 5 and 6 are the operands, and plus are the operator or addition operator. Also we call it's a arithmetic operator. And num1 means number 1 equal to 10, means we can initialize value from in a variable like num1 equal to 10, num2 equal to 20, and add is for addition, number 1 plus number 2, and just print the result, add, and it's 30. In Python, there is another approach to add two numbers or add many numbers, is sum method. It's not a operator, it's also a function or method. It's built-in method in Python using sum. In sum method, we just pass two arguments. Means in sum method, we just pass two arguments. One is iterable, another one is start. Iterable is nothing but iterate a sequence of numbers or a sequence of elements, anything. And start is a value when the sum print some result. It's just add with iterable in start. Okay, iterable is 1 2 3 4 5, means it's a sequence of number, and sum one is sum into iterable, and print sum one. It's print the addition sum of the all values like 5 plus 4 9, 9 plus 3 12, 12 plus 2 14, and 1 15. It's print the all sum of the all values in the iterable. Also, we pass two values within the sum. One is iterable. Iterable is like sequence of numbers. And another one is start. It's a value. When sum means add or some method will print some results, it's just add with iterable 10. Okay.
Hello,
Yeah.
ma'am. What is iterable?
What is iterable? Iterable is nothing but it's a sequence of number in a list, tuple, dictionary, or means it iterate in sequence of number. Like I just take a list of numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. It's a iterable. Means it's a sequence of numbers. Just
Okay.
we will discuss later about list, tuple, means all iterable functions.
Okay.
Yeah.
Ma'am, any sequence of number will be iterable.
Any sequence of number not is an iterable. Means iterable only the list, tuple, dictionary, and string. Means whatever we can iterate over there. Means
Okay.
we can extract some values from them.
Ma'am, what? Please tell again.
We can extract some values or sequence of numbers or sequence of strings or sequence of character from them. Means we can iterate over them. We can iterate over them. Means we can go with one by one from them. We will discuss later about what about list, what about tuple, dictionary, and string, everything.
Right.
For now, just suppose it's a sequence of numbers or string or character, anything. But it's a sum function, no? That's why we use sequence of number. Because of if we take some sequence of characters, then we can't add from means with them, right? Means if we take something about s equal to A, B, C, D. Can we sum all the values or can we add all the values from S? Yes, tell me. Can we?
No, ma'am.
Yeah. That's why we take sequence of numbers only. And what it will print? Tell me the answer. What it will print? It's easy, na? Just add all the values with the start. Guys, you don't know about summation or addition?
Add these values with 10.
Add all the values iterable.
Yes,
Also
ma'am.
add with start means 10.
10.
Means add all the values in the sum function. Okay,
Yes, ma'am.
Then it will be 25.
25, right? Now just what it will print. Just type error because sum takes at most 2 arguments, not 5. We pass 5 arguments 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and that's why it will print some error. Sum function takes only 2 elements, not 2 elements, means 2 arguments. One is iterable and next one is start. Start or it's a value. Okay, now I pass 2 arguments only. Int object is not iterable. Then in sum function, we must have to pass any iterable. Okay, like sequence of numbers. Understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Now subtraction. Subtraction is nothing but it subtracts 2 operand, means like it's operand means it's operate second operand from the first operand. Okay, 80 is the first operand and 65 is the second operand. Then it's operate 80 minus 65 and it will print the result. If the first operand is small and second operand is big, then it will print the negative value. You also know about it, no? Okay, now tell me what will be the result. Tell me, you don't know about subtraction? It's class 2 level math.
Minus 56.
Yeah, good. Multiplication, we use asterisk for the multiplication. It's also a simple multiplication, means we multiply 2 operands using the asterisk or star. 10 into 5, 500. Same thing. Now division. We also know about division, means it's divide 2 operands, means left operand by right one. Okay, 2 division 4. Tell me the answer. Tell me the answer. 1 by 4.
4. 7, sorry.
0.25. 2 divided by 8. 4. How it will be 4?
No, I am not. I am seeing that print C. I was seeing.
Okay. Nice. 0.25. 25 by 5, it's 5. Okay, one thing is that it always print float values, means with the decimal point. Okay, 2 by 8 is 0.25 and 25 by 5, it means it should have to print only the 5, but not, it will return the float value. That's why it 5.0. Okay, now it's 7.0. Okay. Tell me one thing. Something divided by 0, what it will print?
Division by 0 exception.
Okay, it will print error, right? And 0 by something, it's obviously 0.0 because it's return float value. Yeah. Percentile or modulus. Modulus means it return only the remainder term. Means if we divided 5 by 3, means here is 5 by 3. Okay, 7 by 3. Then what is the remainder? What is the quotient and what is the remainder? Tell me first. 7 divided by 3.
Quotient will be 2 and remainder will be 1.
Good. And it will modulus print only the remainder term. Okay. Now a equal to 5, b equal to 3, then c equal to a percentile b, print c. C is the remainder term only. 2. Now float division. In modulus, it will print only the remainder term. In float division, it will print only the integer value from the division part. Means in division part 2 divided by 8, it will print 0.25. Okay, if we use the float division here, then it will print only the 0. Means it will extract the integer number from the result. Okay, now float division. 5 by 3 means 5 divided by 3 means first I'll try 5 divided by 3. 1.66667 anything. Now I'll just take the float division. Float division means 5 divided by 3. It will take only the integer term. Means it will print only the quotient term. Means we can say like that. Now exponent. All are the operator without the sum function. Okay. Exponent. Exponent is used to the power values. For the power values means 2 to the power 3 equal to 8, 5 to the power 2 or 5 square is equal to 25. Exponent is used for the power value. Now a equal to 2, b equal to 3, c equal to 2 to the power 3. Print c. 8. What will be the value?
1 to 5.
Yeah, good. Another approach of exponent or double asterisk or power means we can import math's a library or package, anything. We can import the library and from the library we use pow function there. Pow means it's a power function, right? Now sorry. import math, and we just calculate 2 to the power 3. Then math dot power equal to 2, 3. Here 2 is the elements and 3 is the index value. Means 2 to the power 3. Can see? And it will return float value always. If we want to take the integer value from C, then just print int of C. Means power function return default float. If we want integer or anything, then we type custom here. Round function. Power function means power function or round function or sum function, anything. It's not arithmetic operator, or it means those are not operator. It's a inbuilt function in Python. I discuss here about just know about the power function and round function. Anything. Round function is nothing but it's a round in the means round up to decimal numbers. Means decimal numbers means floating point, some integer point and the values of float numbers or decimal numbers. It just round up the numbers. Then print round 65. It doesn't have any decimal points. Then it will print the whole number, means it will print 65. Print round 1 to 0.569. Okay, it will print also the 13, because we all know about it. Means if the value is 5, means is 5 or greater than 5, then it will rounding up, last value rounding up in last value plus 1, means 2 plus 1 equal to 3.
Please explain once again.
Okay. When we will rounding the number, any number, one 6.2356. Okay, we just rounding the number only the 1 6. Okay, if the last value after that, after 6, if the last value is 2, means is less than 5 or greater than 5, greater equal to 5. If the last value is greater equal to 5, then last digit is add with 1. Means here if it will 5 or greater than 5, then rounding up those number round, it will print 17. But if we take less than 5, any number means less than 5, then it will print only the 16. Okay.
Okay.
Now 89.23, it will print 89. Now we want the decimal points as well. Means it just print the integer value, not the decimal points. Now we want the decimal values as well with the integer values. But that time in rounding function, we pass 2 arguments. One is value and another one is length. Means up to what you want to round up. Okay, I want to round up after 3 decimal points. Like after 3 decimal points means 4, 5, 6. Okay, I want up to 3 decimal points. Now it will check the last number is 7. It greater than 5, then it will print 123.457. Means 6 plus 1. It will add 1 with 6.
Up to 3 decimal point we can take, right?
Yeah. After the 3 decimal point, the number is 0. It is the less than 5. Then it will print the value as well, means 123.487. What it will print? Anyone tell me the answer?
1.135.
1.13.
5.
The value is 4.
Sorry,
Means
sorry,
it
sorry.
will print.
1, 3, 4, 6.
Yeah, right. What it will print? Tell me fast.
And 1.25380.
Surely?
1.254.
1 point. This one. 1.2538.
2538.
Surely?
380, yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
What is the number? 5.
5.
Then 2 is 1, 5 is 2, 3 is 3, 7 is 4, 9 is 5. Then what is the number? It 2. Is less than 5 or greater than 5?
Less than 5.
Less than 5. Then how it will change? It's same as well, na? Last argument is count from the point. Okay? From the point means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And what is the last value? 2. 2 is less than 5, then it will print as well the number. Means up to 5
Yes, yes.
decimal point. Yeah. Is it clear, na?
Yes.
I don't think so.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, check it. Print.
एक 2 3 4 ପଟା ମାନେ ଏଠି ଏମିତି କଣ ହେଲା 1 2 3 4 5 ପରେ ଦେଖିଲା ସେ 3 2 5 ପରେ ଦେଖିଲା ଏଠି ଦେଖିବ 1 2 3 4 ପରେ ଦେଖିବ 1 2 1 2 3
Tell me
4
the answer. Tell me the answer. Tell me the answer.
First one will be 21588.
21588. Next. Next one.
Yes, ma'am.
Next one.
Same as that.
Same as. Okay.
Okay.
Third one.
Third one. 216. 1, 2, 1, 6.
2156.
2156. No,
Sorry,
216.
2159.
216. 3 is the value only. Means it count only
16.
3 times. 1, 2, and 3.
Oh yes. 2156.
Understood, na guys?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. There is also two functions for rounding up. One is float and another one is cell function. It's not float division, huh? It's a float function. Okay. What will do the float function? Actually, float function rounded the integer not greater than x. Means it's a least integer, not means greater than x. Okay. Okay, you will not understood, I think. Minus 53.03. What it means? It means minus 54 or 53.
Yes.
What? Sorry.
Yes.
Minus 53.
Okay. Just one thing. Minus 54 and minus 53. In between the number is minus 53.03.
Yes.
Okay.
Right.
Minus 53.03. Okay.
But it
They-
will be written as minus 53.03.
No. Float function return only the integer value. It's a latest integer, not less greater than x. Okay. Means less than integer, what is that? Minus 54. And
Yes.
greatest integer, what is? Minus 53.
Minus 50. Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
In between, below the minus 53.03.
Yes.
Then what is the means less integer? 54.
Minus 53.
Is the okay. First, tell me first one thing. Minus means what is the true? Minus 54 greater than minus 53 or minus 54 less than minus 53. What is true?
Ma'am, less than.
No, second one is true.
Second one is true. Then what is the less integer? Minus 54.
Yes. Now I got it.
Minus 54.
Minus 54. Then it will print the less integer, but not the
54.
greater than x. Okay. It will
Okay, ma'am.
print only the next less integer.
So
Okay.
in case of positive integers, then it will be the greatest integer.
No. Float function only print the less value. Next one the real value. Means next one the actual value.
Okay.
On next less integer. Okay. Means minus 53.03. It will print minus 54. Means it's the less integer from minus 53.03. And in case of 28026, what is the range? 280 greater than 280.26 and 281, right?
Then 280 will be
280,
positive.
it will print, right? Absolutely right. And also next one is same, it will print the
Function will take the
print the greatest integer, right? Means
Yes.
the next greatest integer, it will print the cell function. Okay.
Ma'am, can we get written notes or anything?
Sorry.
Written notes or anything can we get from PCS Global? Because there are many more things to remember.
Okay, I will share the documents. Okay, means I will share the file. Okay.
Yes, yes. Please share the previous file also.
Okay. Means it will print. Means what it will print? Tell me the answer. Just first. There are so many things to learn.
Minus 53. Sorry, minus 54.
No, it's
Minus
greatest
53.
integer minus 53.
Yes.
Minus 53. Yes.
281 401.
Right.
81.
Arithmetic operators are done. Arithmetic operators are only plus, minus, asterisk, division, percentile, and floor exponent. But sum, cell, floor, all are the inbuilt function. Okay.
Okay.
Arithmetic, then logical, computer. Okay. What is the comparison operator? Comparison operator means just compared to condition or compared to operands or compared to values or compared anything. Means comparison operator means it's just compared to operand, means compare the values. Okay. What are the comparison operator? Comparison operators are equal to, not equal to means if A, B are equal, then it will print true, or otherwise it will print false. Not equal to, it's a sign of exclamatory means point, and equal value means it's a not equal sign. And if A not equal to B, then it will print true or false, anything. It's a greater than value, less than value, greater equal to, less equal to. We already know all about it. Now task. 2 equal to 2. It's
Ma'am, can you please answer one thing?
okay.
I am writing.
Actually, I will share the documents. Means no need to write or just
No,
understand.
No, the first operator that you have given the description. Here, there two values, two operands are equal, and then the condition becomes true. So,
When you have done, just tell me, okay? It's a or sign, but in Python we will use or, means or. Okay.
okay.
Yeah. This double pipe it's used for or, means in another language like Java, C, C++. But in Python we just use or and and for and.
You can go faster.
Guys, done?
Yes,
Fast.
yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Okay. Now if A equal to B, A equal to 2, B equal to T, both both are equal, it will print 2. 1 equal to 0. Is it true? Guys, is it true?
False.
Just interact with me.
It will print false.
Okay. Yeah. Equal to is a comparison operator, but only when we use only the one equal to sign, then it will as means we
Same value.
not same value means we will initialize anything or it's
We're
a
assigning a
assignment
value to
operator.
the other.
Yeah, assign something using the equal to operator. Okay, like above. Already we have used A equal to 10. Print A. Then it's print A means 10. Actually, we assign 10 in A. It's a only one equal to is a assignment operator and double equal to is a comparison operator. Not equal to, already know. 2 not equal to 1. What it will print? Fast.
True.
True. Yeah, true. Next one.
False.
False.
Okay. What it will print?
False.
False. Next.
True.
True. Next.
False.
Yeah, it's so easy. Next one.
True.
Okay, next one.
True. Sorry.
Yeah,
false.
that's false. Next one.
True.
Next one.
True.
Next. Fast.
True.
Next.
True.
Good.
Oh.
Done. Next one is logical operators. Logical operators are and, or, and not. When we use and, if the both means if both expression or more than two expression will true or condition will true, then and value print the true. Okay, means it's like union. Sorry, no, it's an intersection. And it's for intersection, means if A is true, B is true, then it will print the true value. Means if all the values are true, then it will print true, otherwise it will print false. Like A equal to
I'm
false.
using %. It suggests that any expression not true.
It's sorry.
When we are using double %.
Double ampersand and are the same. Double ampersand means double ampersand or and means double ampersand used for another language means and
C.
and sorry
In C.
in C or in Java also. C++ also. But in Python, we use full term, means and, or, and not. A equal to false, B equal to true. A equal to false, B equal to true, means one is false and one is true. Then it will print obviously false. If both condition, both expression, both values are true, only that point of time it will print true. Now tell me what the answer. Means you don't know about if, I'll understand. If means if used for conditional statement. So if used for x greater, it will be false. No, here we write print both are positive and print both are not positive.
Okay.
Both are not positive. Yeah, right. If else, I'll discuss later. And or, what is or? Or when one of the expression is true, means in more than two expression or more than two or two expression, when we compare two expression or more than two expression, then if the one condition, one expression, one value is true, then it will print true. Now A equal to true, B equal to false, then print A or B, means one is true, then it will print obviously true. Now second one.
One of them must be true, positive.
Okay, good. Not is used for, means if one value is true or one value is false, then means if we write not A, means it will print false, or true, means if A value is true, then if we write not A, then it will print false, and if A value is false, then if we write not A, then it will print true. Okay.
True.
A equal to true, print not A, means it will print false. Now membership operator. Membership operator are nothing but it's a in and not in. Okay. Ins means the value is in something expression or something condition or second operand, then it will print true. Otherwise, it will print false. Like I take x equal to a string. I love Python. Then print I, means I in x. Just check I is in x or is not in x. S. Then it will I obviously it in s. Then it will print true. Now, what is false? I in s. It will print true or false? Tell me.
False.
I is there? No.
I is there, but not small I.
Not
True.
small I, right? No, it's obviously case sensitive. If I means I small is not there,
Yes, yes.
then it will print false. Oh, sorry. I'm not excited. Now next one. Next one.
True.
True. Right. Next one.
True. Sorry, false.
False.
Right. Yeah.
Small L.
Next one.
True.
Right. Next one.
False.
Yes. Next one.
False.
False.
Good. Not in means just opposite of in. Nothing else. Just copied and write there. Not in. False.
False.
Print. Yes. What did it print?
And with cursor is on the text.
Please
Cursor is on the text. We cannot see the what you write.
True.
True.
Good. Now I will start the only basic string. No, first I will start the equals. Control statement. Control statement, nothing but means if, else, nested else, loop statement like loop, while loop, for loop, anything. Means in programming, we need to make some decision. And based on this decision, we will execute the next block of code. Okay. First, we use accept. Hold on, just charge. First, if statement. If statement is the most important decision making statement. We write just if, then after if we write the condition or expression. Okay, condition. After that we put a semicolon and next we will write the statement, or under the condition we will write the block of code like st statement 1, statement 2. Okay, if the condition is true, then the program will execute first statement 1, then statement 2. If the condition is not true, then just program will execute the whole thing. It will print nothing. It just executed. Okay. Now start. If x equal to 5, then if x greater than 0, print it's a positive number. Okay, I just explain. I just take x equal to value 5 and just write the condition. Means if x greater than 0, x greater than 0 is a condition. Next, we will put just a column, and after that, we just write a statement like print. It's a positive number. It's a positive number. Okay. Then what it will print? It will print it's a positive number because the condition is true. X equal to 5 means it's a greater than 0. That's why it print the means print the statement it's a positive number.
And in the print line, after bracket, we don't have to give column.
We don't have to.
Give column.
Sorry, I can understand it.
Colon.
Colon. Where is colon? Print in the print statement.
X greater than 0.
Yeah.
Like that.
Colon. Yeah. It's a colon.
Yes. We don't have to give the print line also.
No. If we will put only the condition after the condition statement. Okay. Means where we write the conditional statement. After that, we have to put one colon. Okay. Understood?
Yes. Like in C, we have to enter the colon, semicolon after print function.
No. It's not like Java or C or anything.
Yes. I don't
Yeah.
know that.
Here you use just indentation block. Okay, indentation. Okay, if we put don't have means if we don't use the indentation, then it will print error. Means like it will print error. Indentation error. Okay.
Yes.
Always we have to use the indentation for the block of code. Okay. So just copy the code and write here. X equal to 5. It's greater than 0 means it's obviously not equal to 0. That means it will not print it's the positive number. It just execute the whole code and print nothing. Okay. Now, if else. What is if else? If else also a control statement. We just check the if condition first. Okay, means its syntax is if condition, then write statement 1, statement 2, statement 3. No. Okay. Is the syntax of if else statement. Now first check if condition. First check the condition. If the condition is true, then it will execute the statement 1, then statement 2, then statement 3. But the condition is false, means in that case, the condition is false, then it will execute, but it will not print anything. In that case, if we use the else statement, then if the condition is false, then it will go for the else condition, means else. Then just execute the statement 1, statement 2, and if there is another statement also, then it will execute the statement 4, 5, 6, so on. Okay. Understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Now, if x greater than 0, print the number is positive, else print the number is not positive. It's equal to input include some slash n. Slash n is used for next line. Okay. Slash n. Print I love Python. Okay. Slash n is used for next line. Means I, then next line love, and next line is Python. It will print. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah. I also print like that. Print I print love Python. Understand now? In default Python print in the new line. Okay, means print I, then next line print love, and next line is Python. Also we write like that. Okay, means space complexity is the most important thing in the means in programming or coding anything. Means we have to reduce line in the programming, and we have to reduce the time also. Time complexity is another most important thing in programming. That's why we write only one line. Now, enter a number, I write 5. Then what it will print? Guys, tell me fast, tell me fast. Anyone tell me what it will print? Means as
So number is positive.
Number is positive, right? And if we print the minus 56, then it will print the number is not positive. First line is x equal to input enter number, means it's take a number from the user. It's a minus 56, and now check. First if condition check, x greater equal to 0. Minus 56 is greater equal to 0. No, it's false. False. Then it will not execute the line print the number is positive. If the condition is true, only that time it will execute under the statement under the if block. Okay. When the condition is false, then it will straightforward, it will go for else. Okay. Now it will execute the else part, means the print the number is not positive. Okay.
Yes.
A equal to 89, B equal to 57. Just tell me what will be the output, first one and second one. Guys, tell
First
me.
one is the number is even, second one is the number is odd.
Right. First one is even and second one is odd. Okay. Explain me. Anyone. Explain me the code. First.
Because first one is the after the modulo operator, it will,
Yes.
the remainder will be 0.
What modulo operator will do?
It gives the remainder.
Okay. Yeah. Right.
Because it is even number, it will give 0. It will be
Yeah.
divisible by 2.
Yes.
And the second one is not divisible by 2. That's why it gives remainder and other than 0.
0. Yeah. Right. Okay. Now, if and the else. If elif else. Okay, what is elif? We already know in C. Elif means else if. Okay, else if. In Python, else if is elif. Nothing else. Means in Python, we just write in the place of else if, elif. Okay. Now syntax of the if, elif, else. If condition statement 1, statement 2, elif condition statement 1, statement 2, else statement 1. What statement 2? That it is the condition of if, elif, and else. Elif means else if. Else if means if. First we check the condition of if. If the condition means the condition under if is true, then it will execute the as usual statement 1 and statement 2 means after one by one. Okay, but if the condition is not true, then it will go means in previous it will go for else, but in that condition it will go for elif condition. Then again it will check the condition of elif. If the condition of elif is true, then it will check statement 1 and statement 2, it will print. Now if the elif condition is true, then it will not go for the else condition. Okay, if the condition of elif is true, then it will print the statement 1 or statement 2, or it will execute the block of code. If the condition of elif condition is not true, then only that time it will go for else condition and it will execute the block of code. First, it will check for the if condition and it will execute the block of code. If condition is true, then it will not go for elif and else and rest of the code. But if the if condition is not true, then it will go for elif and it will execute the block of code in elif. If the elif condition is not true, then only that time it will go for else. And we write the means more than two, means infinite number of elif condition. Once elif condition, statement 1, statement 2, elif condition, statement 1, statement 2. No, first it will check the condition for if it is false, then it will straightforward go for elif. If first elif is false, then it will go for second elif. If second elif is false, it will go for third elif. Now if the third elif also false, then it will go for else. If the second elif condition is true, then it will execute the block of code of elif and it will not go for the elif, last elif and the else condition or else block. Okay, understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, 1 second. If x greater than 0, no. 100. Also, okay. One trick is there. Something. What it will print?
X is less than 50.
Less than 50. But here is also there na x less than 100, 5 is also less than 100. Then why it will
Yes,
not
sir.
print x less than 100?
Because one of the condition will be executed and other will be not be executed.
Okay. Yeah, you are right. In the means you guys understand the if else and all if else and if else anything means all the thing understand
Yes,
that?
ma'am.
Yeah.
Yes.
Just last one is a nested if. Nested if. Nested if means if condition statement. Let me just state one. Oh, state one. If condition is step one, then again if condition step one. Now nested if is like means if in another if like it nest. Okay, now first it will check if the condition is true, then it will execute the whole block. Again it will check the if condition that is under the first if condition. If the next if condition is true, then it will execute the second if, then it will execute the third if. That's like it's a nest. That's why it's called nested if. Insert cell below, right? If condition something x greater than 0, print positive. Again if x greater than 50, print sorry x greater than 50. If x is greater than 100, print sorry 500. Oh, sorry. X greater than 1000. X equal to 1000. Now what it will print? First.
X greater
Yes,
than 100.
Greater than 100.
Yes.
100.
But what about positive x 50? Okay,
Yes, ma'am.
I will explain. First x equal to 156, right? First
Yes, ma'am.
check the condition x greater than 0. It is true?
Yes.
Yes,
True.
ma'am.
Okay. Now then it will print positive first.
Positive.
Now
Yes,
it will check for the x greater or equal to 50, means also it is
True.
true. Then print x greater than 50. Now it
Okay.
will check for x greater than 100. Then obviously it's also true. Then it will print x greater than 100. But now it will check for x greater than 500. But it's not x greater than, means greater than 500. Then just
Okay.
code will execute. Okay. Then it will print positive x greater than 50 and x greater than 100.
Greater
Right?
than 100.
Yeah.
Right.
Okay. Understand that? Means we will discuss tomorrow or next class. Okay. Rest of the part.
Okay.
Okay, guys. Means Avinash will take over the class. Hello, Avinash.
Hello,
Yeah. Hello.
ma'am. In this case, we can use the loop also.
Sorry.
In substitute this nested if condition concept, we
Yeah.
can also loop
Group.
loop
Sorry.
condition.
Loop,
LOOP.
madam.
Loop. Yeah. Obviously. Means there is so many loops. Do while loop, for loop. Means we will discuss tomorrow or day, but means next
Okay.
class. Okay.
Okay, ma'am. Please give the notes in the.
Yeah. I will share the file. Avinash. Avinash. Avinash.
Ma'am, Avinash sir is not here. Not in the meeting.
Just hold on. Okay.
Okay.
I just call him.
Will you let the meeting or the class will go on?
Just hold on. Okay.
Okay.
Avinash will take over the class and he will discuss the data structure part. Okay. Means tell me one thing, okay? In the nested if, we use nested if else, okay? Like Avinash sir will join and he will discuss the data structure part. Till then, I'll discuss the if else condition also. If x greater than 0 is true, yeah, okay. Just if x greater than 500, this condition is not true, then it will go for else condition and it will print x less than 100. Okay. And the if block is under the else. Right. Okay. Understand now? Means in the place of if nested if, we use also nested if else. Okay. Understand now?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Now maybe obvious joint. No. Okay. Who is that? Okay, tell you one thing. Avinash sir will discuss the tomorrow or next class, okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay.
Then I will continue or it will enough. Miss, if you want, then I'll continue the loop part, only the loop. And something,
Okay, ma'am.
yeah, I'll discuss.
Ma'am, you can. Yes, ma'am. You can finish the loop part.
Yeah, okay. You guys understand the nested if else? Means nested if else, right? Yeah. No need
Yeah, ma'am.
to discuss. Okay. Now for loop. Now for loop. The for loop in Python is used to iterate over a sequence of number. Okay, means it again came the iterable or iterate. Okay, just for loop in Python, it is used for iterate the sequence of numbers or sequence of characters or sequence of words, anything. Okay, there is one iterable object and iterating over the sequence called traversal. Means this iterating sequence is called traversal. Okay, I just write the syntax for the for loop. For item in, I just first tell you the basic string. Okay, what is the string? String is, we all know about string. String is a number of character, right? Means string is the number of character. Here string equal to hello Python. It's a string, and string written inside the double quotation or single quotation, anything you want. There is no difference between double quotation and single quotation. Like string equal to hello Python, print string. String is, it will print hello Python. If I write inside the single quotation, string ancestry world print string 1. Okay, okay, means there is no difference between string, means inside, if we write inside the double quotation it will print the string. Also if we write inside the single quotation it will also print, it will also print the string. Now how I will access the string? Means we access the string as means by indexing value. Means hello Python, index start with 0, end with, there is a number of characters or total number of characters in a string. Like start with 0 means in 0th and index there is h, E for the 1 index, L for the 2 index, next L for the 3 index, O for the 4th index. Okay, means we use, means access the string, we use indexing, like, and it is used in the square bracket. ST. Okay, we access the value P, okay, using the index. Then P is the what index? H is for 0, means 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, space is for 5, and P for 6. We want P. 6. Okay. Understand now?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Good.
Ma'am, after string, you will continue.
Sorry.
After this string part, you will continue the loop part. Now.
Yeah. I mean, I just told you string, just basic string, means I'll discuss string day after tomorrow. Okay.
Okay.
Is 9. Then what it will print?
H.
H.
Small h.
0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay. 10, 11, 12, 13. H. Okay. Now print is 16. What it will print?
Exclamatory symbol.
No. It's
No,
print.
nothing will print.
Print. Yeah, it print
Blank.
error. Means
Error.
index out of bound. Means 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. In 13, it will print the exclamatory sentence. Sorry, point. It will print the error. Okay. String index out of range. Then string index start from 0 and end of the length of the string. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
And the means how I will know the length of the string?
By length function.
By length function, right? Print length of S. Okay. Pardon. But length in length function,
Ma'am,
counting
why you use this
has used for committed line, means it will not execute the line. If we'll use the has for any line, means I
we
also
use
use
C double slash
a double slash or
Python we
use has. That exactly, means also we use sorry. In C also use means slash star slash, right?
Yes.
In Python we just use has.
Just double slash we use in C.
Also double slash we use, means both are used in C and
Okay.
C++. Okay. Now enough string. We'll discuss string later. Now loop. Okay. For item in string. Python. Print item. Okay. For item in Python, it's a conditional statement. That's why we put colon after that. Okay. Always remember that. After the conditional statement, we put one colon. Okay. for item in Python means for item in Python, it's iterated function, right? Item, first item is P, second one Y, third one T, fourth one H, fifth one 0. Oh, sorry, O. Yeah.
When we are using functions in Python, in that line we don't have to use any colon, right?
No. Yeah. But means if we use inbuilt function in Python, that time we don't use any colon or. If we use user defined function like def,
Yes.
add,
Okay.
okay.
Yes. Comparatively, in Python, to write code it is very easy.
Yeah, obviously it's easy.
Then
That's
why,
why
ma'am, in C and Java, the code where a
actually,
code takes 17 to 18 lines,
yeah,
suppose, and in Python
but
it takes 6 to 8 lines. Why?
but C is so fast. Python is too slow, and Python have some libraries, packages, means more than libraries, packages in C and Javas. That's why we use the some lines, means less
Okay.
than the Java's code, or
Makes it slow, and why it is slow?
slow for actually it is slow for means it will go for the library and it will find from the means there are so many libraries, it will find from the libraries means which function we will call or which libraries we will call. After that library it will find for class. After that class it will just take the reference and it will return the reference.
But ma'am, in C languages or Java languages, there are many lines.
Many
Yes,
but it will execute the
code is-
many lines now, means in Python library there are infinite number of classes, infinite number of functions. It will find the whole functions, all the functions, and it will find for the all libraries. But in C, in Java, just execute the code only, right?
In case of compile, same time happens. Same time needed to compile.
It's a small line of code. That's why it's execute for the same time. But when it will go for the long run, means it's a long number of code. That time it will slow than the Java and C. And when we create the user defined function, then we will put the column there. Okay.
Okay, got it.
For item in Python, then print item. Item means Python, right? Means it will execute one by one. First item in Python means first it will print P, then next again it will print Ython. Okay. Okay, there is another method or function, that is range function. Okay. Range function, basically what it will do, range function return the sequence of values, means I just pass two arguments 0, 10. Okay, it will return from means start with the 0 and end with the end value -1, means it will print
It will end at 9.
9, right? Print
So when the 10 value comes, then the code will not execute. Then the code get false and then come out.
yeah, and also
Then
we
the loop
pass
ends.
yeah, loop ends. Also we
Okay.
will pass another argument is there, means it's a step size, means
No, ma'am, I am just asking about the in C. We have to use some some conditions like I plus plus or I greater than is
Okay,
equal to
okay.
10.
Means in Python
These
for
things
loop,
we don't have to use here.
yeah. Actually, that thing we will use for while loop. Okay. Means in for loop, nothing is there in here. In Python, just for loop. For is
Post
it,
increment we have to use in for loop also.
in Python for loop just iterate over the number of sequence, okay, or a sequence of character. Okay, but in Python, when it will come for the conditional statements, check for the conditional statement, then we will use while loop. Okay.
Okay.
Like print step size 2. Step size 2 means it will print after 2 values. Okay, see. Means 0, then 2, then 4, like that. Okay.
Okay.
Actually, for loop is done. Means nothing is there for loop. Means will I continue while loop?
After while loop, there is no loop, I guess.
Yeah, after while loop there is no loop.
Continue.
While loop is as usual, means it's nothing else. First initialize something I equal to 0. Equal to 50. Now check the while. While I greater than 0, greater than less than 20, print I minus 2 equal to, sorry. Oh, sorry. Sorry.
I think there is an error.
No. It will not error.
I minus
I equal to 50. Then it check for the while condition. I less than 20. It's true or false? It's false.
It's false.
That's why it only the execute the code, means it will not print anything. Okay.
Yes.
Okay. Understand the code. First initialize something, then it will check the while condition. Okay.
Okay.
Then execute the statement, means block of code or statement, anything. After that, increment or decrement, like for Java or C, means for I equal to 0. Actually, I believe it's I greater than, sorry, I greater than 20, 50, I greater than 20, and I minus.
Greater
Yeah.
than equal to. Greater than equal to it will be.
Yeah, equal to or anything.
Yes, because whenever the value gets to 20, then also it will print 20, na? Sorry, then it also execute the program and come out, then decrement the value.
In Java or C, just first initialize I equal to 50, then I equal to 50, then print I, then execute the means check the condition I greater equal to 20. It's true.
Yes, yes.
Then it also just increment or decrement, then print anything. like that means as same like while loop. I equal to 50, just initialize at the value of variable and check for the while condition and print the element and lastly increment or decrement. It's a initialize operator. I means I minus equal to 2 means I minus plus 1, sorry, I equal to I minus 2. Okay, or just when we write I plus plus means I equal to I plus 1,
Yes, yes.
I equal to I plus 1. Okay, in Python we write I plus equal to
Equal to 1.
okay, also we write I equal to I plus 1. Okay, but not write I plus
Yeah.
plus.
This is easier, I think. The last one. I is equal to I plus 1.
Yeah, means it's understandable.
Is
Understandable.
easily understood.
Yeah, that is while loop. Okay, now I
So
just
we don't use in Python I plus plus or I minus minus.
no
right?
no no. We use just
When
minus
we are
equal to
using-
or plus equal to or I equal to I plus 1 or I equal to I minus 1. That makes sense. Yeah.
we are entering I plus plus or I minus minus, it will give us error.
Yeah. Now just one code. Code is now write down the code at fast. Already 8:11. So it's a will be
Here we also I and J comes to
have you completed? Have you completed? Just share your screen.
no ma'am, I can't complete
Okay.
because
I just tell you one thing, okay?
I can give an idea.
Yeah, tell me the idea.
Uh, Here also we hello.
Yeah,
Here
tell me.
also we have to take two operators I and J, two integers.
Hmm.
I will suggest the rows in the pattern, and J will suggest columns in the pattern. it right? Then whenever we are taking the j, then it will be increment by 1 because the column is greater than I.
Like that. Like that, na?
Yes, like the but
What? It is not working. What? 0.
then row will be j.
Row will be
J.
J. Okay, J.
J.
What is the difference between row
I
and
and J.
J?
One is
Okay. Next. Right?
Yes, ma'am.
You guys understand? Means for now tell me one thing. For I in range 5, what actually do? Means I it's print 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Next
yes,
for j equal to 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Now if I equal to j, greater equal to j, means at the first time I equal to 0 and j also equal to 0, then I greater equal to j, means I 0 and j 0, both are equal, then print 1 star. Okay.
Yeah.
Done. Then it's break the
but
loop.
I can't understand this end is equal to
Yeah.
what?
I'll discuss. Okay. This actually if I don't put the end, okay, then like that. Okay. I just understand the code, then I will discuss the end function also. Now I equal to 0 and j equal to 0, it will print 1 star and it break the loop because in the next means next iteration j will be 1, then I equal to 0 and j equal to 1, it's not true, and it break the loop and go for the first loop. Then now I equal to 1. Okay. I mean first I equal to 0, then it will be 1. Then j equal to 0. 1 greater equal to 0. It's true. Then it print 1 star. Again, it's go for the loop. J equal to 1. Then 1 greater equal to 1. It will also true. Then it will print second star. Okay. Like that, it will print star. What end function do? End equal to end function do actually in default Python print 2 enter print 3 print 4. In default Python print with new line, means first print 2, new line, second Python print 3, and third one is print 4. But
Yes,
if I add the end function here, it will print what is the end value is there, space. It will print the 2 after space, 3 after space, 4 after space. Okay,
Okay.
sorry, just second actually. Okay,
It will automatically go to the next line after print ending end space, right?
if we use end, then it will go for the end delimiter. Means if you
If
use
we
the
use end, then after that there will be nothing.
new
after that.
line, means it's not print the new line. It's
The line
print
is
the,
ended.
yeah,
Means the line has ended.
Hmm.
Go to the next line.
like that. If we use the @ between end, then it will print 2 @ 3. Okay, or it will print comma. Okay, understand?
Okay.
Means we can use any special character, anything after the end. Okay, like
But after that end, why print 3? The 3 is printed in the same line.
but also actually why print 3 is the same
Why
line.
print 3 is the same line?
Yeah, means end means it is the end of the first line, and it will print the second line also here.
But in the uppercase there is yes.
Okay, means if we use anything after end, then it will print in between to print. Okay, understand?
Yes.
Yeah. In string, tell you one thing. String concat means s1 equal to puj and s2 equal to h1 plus h2 means just concat two values or add two values simultaneously. Okay, simultaneously means it puj, after that pyt. Okay, it's just concat or add two values simultaneously, right? Hello, right?
Yes, ma'am. Right,
Yeah.
ma'am.
In below, V and S2 asterisk 3 means S2 repeated 3 times. Okay, if S2 is string, then S2 multiplied by 3 means S2 repeated by 3 times, like PYT 1 time, PYT 2 time, and PYT 3 times. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah.
It is same as the you have explained the power 3 to the power 3.
Yeah, to the power 3 means 2 to, if the value is integer, then it will to the power means 2 multiplied by 2 plus 1. Yeah. Means,
If we want to repeat a sentence in the same line,
same.
thereafter then we have to
Print just multiplied by a. Now this code I'll just print one line. Okay, I'll do the one line. That's why we use Python. Print star multiplied by I. Sorry. Right? That's why we use Python. What I will do? For I in range. Range first one means it will print from the 1. Okay. 6 means it will print up to 6 minus 1. Means it will print up to 5. Okay. Means 1 to 5. Means 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. And what I will do? Print star. It's a string. Okay. Multiplicated by I. I means what here? I means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Means star repeated by first 1 time, then repeated by 2 times, and then repeated by 3 times up to 5 times. And in default Python print in the next line. That why first print means star multiplicated by 1 means first 1 star. Then again for loop I range 1 means next after 1 is 2. Then it multiplicated by star into 2 means 2 star. Okay. Then 3 star, then 4 star, then 5 star. It's easy now
Yes, ma'am.
and interesting.
Yes, ma'am. Interesting.
Okay. Now will I wrap up here now? Already
Okay, ma'am.
25 minutes.
Ma'am, the next class will be on.
Sunit sir will share the time and date.
Okay, ma'am, please give the notes in the group.